For this page, you're going to look at different ways to improve your vocabulary. And one of the things we talk about in this page is how to take a text or a reading, break it in smaller parts and understand it better, how to skip words that are irrelevant, which means they're not really important, just so you can get the overall meaning, and then maybe later go and look at those words that you don't understand and look at them more closely. And then also how to look at the overall words that you're looking in the overall reading and find ways to figure out what the word you don't know, figure out what that means by looking at other words around it. So make sure you read through all of that carefully. Let me show you this. So there's a couple of places and strategies in this page that discuss ways to learn more words. So one of the ways you can do it is create a chart that you go through to follow how you figure out what a word might mean. You might make a guess and then research the actual meaning of the word. And that's one way to do it. There's also ways to find maps and graphic organizers online. This link takes you somewhere that might require a account. So if you don't want to create an account, then I would recommend the first link. And these, if you scroll to the down to the bottom here, it has some material and links. These are places you can go to. You can sign up pretty easily, and you can create different maps and different ways to learn and organize your new words. I think one of these does not work. Could be the second link, I think doesn't work. But the third link looked pretty good as well. So they're all free, but if it asks you to pay for something, make sure you look for a little X to close, because there are usually paid versions that you can do. Just make sure you close those and don't click the paid version. So after you've explored some of those different ways to build your vocabulary, you're going to answer these 3 questions in a text box, or you can type in a document and upload. And you're just going to think about strategies, what have you used, what are useful, and answer all of those questions here. You don't have to show me anything from these websites. You don't have to download this chart. It's just for you and your benefit, so that you're going to be graded on answering these questions.